Hi guys, Max Perez from Digital Octopus. Today I have a new video for you guys that have reset your head unit and you lost your AC down here. I'm gonna show you guys how to regain that feature. This is a DOTS 1015 PX6 models. Remember, we have two models. We have the PX6 and we have the Qualcomm. I'm also gonna do this video for the Qualcomm model as well, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is we want to go and set all of our factory settings to how they came originally from the store, from us. So what you want to do is you want to go into settings on top, and then we're gonna click on install set, which is down here. We're gonna put the code 9715 and we're gonna click OK. So I'm just gonna read over all of these options, how they are set, so you can set them up the same way on your radio, and I guarantee it's gonna work again and you're gonna get your AC back and everything else. So the first thing we want to do is we want to be connected to the internet. I am not connected right now, but my car is already set up. But we're gonna go into car type, and from these options we're gonna select General Motors and Camaro. Once you select Camaro, you're gonna select protocol is Lusthang. There. So once you select that and you restart your radio, you press OK, you're gonna get your AC back. So now if that's not working, it's fine, just leave it like that for now. Then we're gonna go to all of our settings from the beginning, because you might get your AC back but you're gonna have another graphic here and it's not gonna work. So if that's the case, it's because you changed one of the settings here. So I'm gonna read one by one how my settings are selected and then just set them up like that on your radio. All right, so the first one is reversing video format, that CVBS AHD signal, that stays like that. So then the next one is switch to right camera, we're gonna go off. Switch to front, on. Reset wallpaper, off. ACC delay, off. Right view front, off. Show front sign, off. Reverse with protocol, on. Light control, on. So I'm gonna go to the next page. 360 camera off, USB 360 off, weekend off, weekend right video off, reset back car image off, radar sound on, auto antenna off, right side off, rear door positive, show door state on, seatbelt off, show 360 car off, Ford lamp off, Ford TPMS off, power liftgate off, Ford wheel up off, Ford wheel left off, previous and next settings positive. Previous and next settings, this is the one that you would change if you want to skip to the next track and you want to put it on the steering wheel, like if you press up on the steering wheel, or you want it down for the next track. So that one you could change, but let's leave it for positive now. Original steering wheel control protocol, change air button order, off. That's important. Top type car, off. Hybrid off. Volume controls, you could put it as your desired, whatever you need it to be. You're gonna skip down to air dual, off. Rear climate, off. Reverse AC controller, off. Change logo, off. HDMI output, off. HDMI display detection, on. change climate UI off, this is the one where you click and this is where that graphic changes and it becomes useless. So make sure that's off. Then we're gonna select GM console theme, Chevy, and then we're gonna select 3 for the screen parameters. Then dashboard color white, off. For the next one, which is USB DVR, serial port TPMS off, DVR mode button, TV category, digital signal. Then we go to plug-in DVD off, standby setting, standby, display temperature on, select TV module touch, audio fader off. Bluetooth name, we'll leave it alone. Google app on, fan off, Q50 AUX, second row, F150 amp off, pop-up logo entering the homepage off. Then the next option is auxiliary auto 1, US art DVD off. The rest of these numbers on the gyros are 0, and we're almost there. Short car logo on, encoder off, back car left right mirror off, force IGO mix on, and then the volume control is at the bottom. Once you have all these settings just like that, you're gonna click on save and reboot. So once it reboots, your radio is gonna be back to the factory, how it was working, and everything else should be, ready to go. All right, so if you did all these settings and you still can't get the AC to work like the graphic is showing, but you put the speed and this doesn't respond, the next thing I would check is the AC connection on the back of the radio. Make sure that's plugged in correctly. If it's plugged in correctly and it's still not responding, then I would just contact your supplier, whoever sold you the radio. Usually there was a problem with the first generation, which is the PX6, where the motherboard had an issue where the AC didn't respond and it has to be replaced. There's no way to fix this. You have to replace the motherboard, and there's no way around that. So I recommend you contact your supplier and get them to resolve it for you, whether replacing the part or just swapping out the unit itself. All right guys, so this is it for today. I hope this video helped you guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video.